Hello everyone, welcome to my Python Plus playlist. The purpose for this playlist is to take the students that took CEIS 110 to the next level. CEIS 110 was your introductory class to Python. We cover Python variables, operators, if statements, for loops, while loops. We also cover data structures like lists and dictionaries. We cover Python modules like pandas and NumPy, and we began to plot using matplotlib. In this playlist, we're going to take you to the next level. For example, in for loops is a sequence, right? And the sequence uses a concept that is called an iterator. And the iterator is an object that contains certain properties that are used by the for loop. So we're going to explore that. We're going to take you in 2 or 3 videos just going over that concept. Just like that, there are several other concepts that we need to further explore. For example, we began to do data visualization using matplotlib, and I did introduce some videos using Seaborn. Well, the whole concept of visualizing data is very big, and we can talk about this further. And similarly to that, other topics. This is going to be a living playlist, meaning I'm going to be adding videos over time. And I hope that you find them valuable and you will continue with me having an outstanding learning experience. So for now, I'll talk to you later, and I hope to see you in my playlist. Take care. Don't forget to follow me. See you later.